It's crazy, but one thing it never is boring. So every time one comes to Kolkata, it's with that sense of anticipation that you never know what's going to happen next, and you're never disappointed. So congratulations for the second edition of the Literature Festival, organized by people who clearly understand the mood of the city, the hunger in the city for books. I've been coming to the book fair for the last many years, and perhaps this book fair and of course this literature festival is likely to see the maximum number of footfalls, the maximum number anywhere in the world, which is what I've just confirmed. So what started off as a book fair with 60 stalls of people interested in conveying their love for books, conveying their love for words, has now grown into participation with more than 500 people, 500 bookstalls participating in it. And the most wonderful aspect of the book fair and the literature festival is how the city responds to it. And over time, I have seen families who save the entire year through. They come here with their kids, they come here in large numbers, and they come here to buy books, to meet their favorite authors, and to participate in something that means a lot to them. It's not just a carnival where they come stroll in because they have nothing else to do. They come because they love books, they love to interact with people in the world of ideas, philosophy, songs, magic and music. And this is really what makes the Kolkata Book Fair and the Lit Fest of Kolkata so distinct and so different. They have a character of their own, they have a power of their own, and for those of us who write, there is no other book fair, at least in India, that compares in spirit and the energy that Kolkata brings to book fairs and to Lit Fest. So congratulations once more.
আপনারা যারা রয়েছেন মঞ্চে এতজন বিশিষ্ট অতিথি, আমার একটু ভয়ই লাগছে, কিন্তু এই স্টেজটায় এসছি এটার জন্য ত্রিদীপদা, সুধা সকলকে আমার একটা বড় থ্যাঙ্কস যে এখানে আমি গানটা গাইতে পারছি। খুব অল্পক্ষণের গান, বেশিক্ষণ বোর করবো না, তারপর আপনারা প্যানেল ডিসকাশন শুরু।